Hi guys! Welcome to Josie channel!
Hi kids! Welcome to Science 4, Quarter 4, Week 5, Lesson 9. Our topic for today, observing weather conditions. Here are the objectives. First, define and record weather conditions. Second, name the different kinds of clouds. Come on, let's have fun while learning. Let's have a short review. Identify the weather instrument being described by each statement. Choose your answer from the box below. You may now begin. Let's check your answers. For number 1, measure air pressure. The answer is barometer. Number 2, tells the direction of the wind. The correct answer is wind vane. For number 3, measures wind speed. The answer is anemometer. And number 4, measures wind speed and wind direction. The answer is windsock. And number 5, measures temperature. The answer is thermometer. I do hope you got a perfect score. And now, let's play a game. You're going to look at the puzzle and write down the different weather elements that you can see. You may now begin. Let's check your answers. For number 1, temperature. Second, humidity. Third, precipitation. Fourth, pressure. And lastly, wind. Good job, kids! Let's have a group activity. It was entitled, What Have You Observed? For groups 1 to 4, here are your tasks. You're going to observe the weather elements listed in the chart below. You're going to accomplish the chart. So you're going to write down the date and the place where you are, the time, temperature, wind direction, wind speed, and sky condition. And then after that, you're going to answer the question. Okay, so based on the data you've gathered, what is the weather condition today? And you're going to explain it. Okay? Here is the example. So first, date and place. Okay, so May 1, and then Bacoor City. Time, 10 o'clock in the morning. Temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. The wind direction is east. Wind speed, light. Okay, and the sky condition is fair to cloudy. And now, it's time for you to present your output. Well done, kids! So based on your data, what is the weather condition today? Can you explain it? Very good. What are your bases in telling the weather conditions? Very good. So, we use the different weather elements such as the wind speed, wind direction, air temperature, and the sky condition. So, you can see the clouds or the clouds that being formed. What do we mean when we say clouds? You're right. When you say clouds, these are large groups of tiny water droplets that cling to pieces of dust in the atmosphere. They come in different sizes, shapes, and color. They also appear at different types and heights too. Let me discuss first the different types of clouds. First, we have the cirrus clouds. So, cirrus clouds is from Latin word cirrus means a tuft or curl of hair. Okay, so the clouds are highest feathery clouds. So they are up so high and they are actually made of ice particles. So as you can see in this picture. So this is an indicator of a fair weather. Next type of cloud is what we call the stratus clouds. So it also based from Latin word strato, which means to spread out. So stratus clouds are uniform grayish or bluish clouds that often cover the sun or the entire sky. Okay, it looks like flat sheets of clouds. The third one is what we call cumulus clouds. So it also came from Latin word cumulus, which means heap or pile. So these cumulus clouds are puffy in appearance and it's look like a large cotton balls. Appear in fine and sunny weather. Aside from that, it is grow tall. So equivalent or it will turn into a thunderstorm. And if they don't get tall, it means they are or it is indicator of a fair weather. The fourth one is what we call the nimbus clouds. It came from the Latin word nimbus, which means rain. Aside from that, nimbus clouds can be seen in dark or gray appearance. It brings heavy rains and thunderstorms. So, we can see the sky that it is dark and look heavy. Aside from that, the precipitation reaches the ground as in the form of rain, hail, snow, or sleet. Next, what is the use of weather chart? Very good. Weather chart tells about the weather components or elements that determine the weather condition at any given time. What is weather condition? Very good. When we say weather condition, it is the regional weather during a defined time period from 1 up to several weeks. Why do we need to give accurate data in telling about the weather condition? You're right. That is, to inform the people correctly and to make necessary preparations and plan for activities. What is weather report? When we say weather report, it is also called as weather forecast. So it is a report that tells what an area's weather will be during a certain period of time. Why weather report is important? Correct. Knowing the weather report or forecast through reading the newspaper, listening to radio forecast or broadcast, or in social media, okay, it will help you plan your daily activities. So here in the Philippines, the source of our or the government agency that is responsible for giving official weather report is the Pag-asa. So when we say Pag-asa, it is Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. And the person or the one who prepared the reports that will be announced on the television, radio, and be printed as well in newspapers, we call them the meteorologists or weathermen. And now, kindly take a look and observe this illustration. What can you say about the temperature in relation to the angle of sun's rays from early morning till the evening? Alright. What time of the day is the temperature at its highest? You're right. Temperature is at its highest at noontime. At what time of the day is the temperature at its lowest? Very good. Temperature is at its lowest in the morning. To sum up, observing the weather condition will help us decide the kind of activities we will do for the day. Each one of us must care about the weather because our works depends on its condition for each day. Knowing the weather condition helps us to be safe and prepare for dangers and calamities. To find out if you really understood our lesson, please bring out your notebook and answer this. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. You may now begin. Let's check your answers. For number 1, weather condition will help us to be safe and prepare for dangers and calamities. The answer is true. For number 2, it is not important to record an accurate data. The answer is false. Number 3, clouds can show the weather condition of the day. The answer is true. Number 4, weather report is important. It is true. And lastly, time and weather conditions affect the day's temperature. The answer is true. I do hope you got a perfect score. And for your last task or assignment, please listen to weather report over the radio or television tonight. And then you're going to record in a chart the weather condition reported. Just write it on your notebook. That's all for today, kids. Thank you, kids, for listening. See you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.